Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to see your archived chats in the Messenger app for 2025. If you've ever archived a conversation and then couldn't find it, you're not alone. It's a common issue, but it's super easy to fix. By the end of this video, you'll be navigating your chats like a pro. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Messenger app installed on your phone or device. The 2025 update has made some interface changes for better organization, so updates are key. Step 1. Open the Messenger app and log in to your account. You'll land on the main chat screen, where all your active conversations are displayed. Step 2. Look for the menu icon in the top right corner. It's usually 3 horizontal lines or a hamburger icon. Tap on it to open the side menu. Step 3. In the menu, scroll down until you see the Archived Chats option. In the 2025 version, this might be under a new Chat Management section for easier access. Step 4. Tap on Archived Chats and you'll see a list of all your archived conversations. You can browse through them or use the built-in search bar to find a specific chat quickly, another handy feature in this update. Step 5. To view a chat, just tap on it. If you want to bring it back to your main chats, hold down on the chat and select Unarchive. It's that simple. One quick tip. If you don't see the archived section, double-check your app settings or ensure you're using the latest update, as Messenger might have regional variations. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed your archived chats in Messenger 2025. This feature is great for keeping your inbox tidy without losing important messages. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.